What's the meaning of constituency? Constituency. Constituency.
Constituency. Constituency. A constituency refers to a group of people who are represented by an elected official in a political system. Typically, a constituency is defined by geographic boundaries, such as a district or region. The elected official is responsible for advocating for the interests and concerns of the constituents they represent. This includes taking their opinions into account when making decisions about policy and legislation. The term is commonly used in democracies around the world, where citizens have the right to vote for representatives who will speak on their behalf.